This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor or qualified health practitioner for guidance on any and all health matters.
Did you know that magnesium deficiency is one of the most common mineral deficiencies in the modern world? Amazingly, most people don't even realize they're living with it. The signs aren't dramatic and often seem quite normal. Tight shoulders, poor sleep, feeling wired but exhausted, and waking up anxious for no clear reason. Many attribute these symptoms to stress, age, or hormones. However, the real culprit might be a lack of magnesium. Our nervous system relies heavily on magnesium. Without it, the body struggles, affecting our sleep, our stress levels, and even our mood. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed and calm instead of anxious and tired. That difference alone could change your life. So why aren't we talking more about magnesium? Perhaps it's time we start. Understanding its importance can lead to better health choices and ultimately a more balanced life. Let's give magnesium the attention it deserves. After all, knowing the real cause of your symptoms is the first step to effectively addressing them. The symptoms we've normalized. Now, low magnesium doesn't announce itself loudly. It creeps in quietly over time. It can show up as muscle cramps or twitching, jaw clenching or tight shoulders, headaches or migraines, constant fatigue, light, broken sleep or waking with anxiety, heart palpitation, feeling overwhelmed, low or on edge. These aren't random symptoms. They're signs the nervous system isn't being supported properly. This is where magnesium helps to bring things into balance. Why magnesium is so foundational. Magnesium isn't a trendy supplement. It's a core mineral. It's involved in over 300 processes in the body. It helps to regulate the nervous system, muscle and nerve function, heart rhythm, blood sugar balance, stress hormones, sleep cycles, mood and emotional stability. In simple terms, magnesium helps the body relax, regulate, and recover. Without enough of it, the body stays in a low-grade stress response, even when nothing's actually wrong. So why is everyone low? This is the part most people miss. Magnesium deficiency isn't a personal failure. It's a modern environmental problem. Here's why levels are so low today. Our soils are mineral depleted. Processed foods contain almost no magnesium. Stress burns through magnesium rapidly. Coffee, alcohol, sugar, and medications increase loss. Exercise increases magnesium demand. So even people who are eating well and exercising regularly may still be low. Food helps, but for many people, food alone isn't keeping up. Where magnesium originally came from. Here's something fascinating. Magnesium is fundamentally a plant-derived mineral. It sits right at the center of chlorophyll, which means plants are the original magnesium source in the food chain. The richest dietary sources are leafy greens, spinach, silver beet, kale, seeds, especially pumpkin seeds, nuts like almonds and cashews, whole grains, legumes, avocado, bananas, dark chocolate or cacao. Animal foods contain some magnesium too, but only because the animals ate the plants. And yet, even with these foods available, most people still fall short. The water factor nobody considers. For most of human history, people bathed in fresh rivers and streams, not just for cleaning, but unknowingly for mineral exposure. As fresh water flows over rocks, it gathers minerals like magnesium, calcium, potassium, silica, iron, zinc, or copper. When the body is exposed to this kind of water, some minerals can be absorbed through the skin. But not all water works the same way. The ocean is extremely mineral dense, but it's also very high in sodium. That salt concentration actually limits mineral absorption through the skin. Fresh, flowing water is different. Its mineral balance is closer to the body's own chemistry, especially when it's moving. That's why rivers and streams outperform dams and lakes. Flowing water keeps mineral content refreshed and bioavailable. Modern plumbing has removed this exposure almost entirely. Magnesium supplements. Supplementation isn't a shortcut. They should only be taken to support your body's natural restoration process. Powdered forms like Magnesium glycinate, magnesium citrate are often better absorbed than tablets and easier to adjust. Many people notice the biggest benefit when magnesium is taken in water, especially in the evening, because the body doesn't need to be forced to relax. It just needs the raw material. Magnesium, salt, and why form matters. Magnesium is a mineral. But when you see it in supplements, it's always in the form of a magnesium salt. Magnesium never exists alone. For example, magnesium glycinate, magnesium citrate, magnesium chloride or magnesium oil, magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt. The salt it's paired with determines how well it's absorbed, how it feels in digestion, where it works best in the body. That's why different forms feel different. Topical magnesium, the forgotten root. Another option is topical magnesium oil. Applied directly to the skin, it's often used for muscle tension, leg cramps, restless legs, stress before sleep. A mild tingling or itching sensation is common at first and usually fades as levels improve. For some people, this route bypasses digestion entirely, which can be a game changer. Magnesium, anxiety, and sleep. Magnesium plays a major role in calming neurotransmitters like GABA and regulating stress hormones. Many people experience reduced anxiety, fewer racing thoughts, more emotional steadiness, a calmer physical stress response, deeper, more restorative sleep. It doesn't sedate you, it supports the body's natural ability to calm itself. Why dosage matters. This part is crucial. Magnesium works best when levels are stable. The body adapts to regular intake, especially under stress. Taking higher doses for a period of time is often well tolerated, but stopping suddenly or dropping too fast can backfire. Because the body may stay in a higher excretion mode for a while, as a result, this may cause increased anxiety, muscle tightness, poor sleep, or nervous system agitation. Think of magnesium as stability for the nervous system. Slow, steady adjustments work best. Simple solution most people miss. Magnesium isn't a miracle cure. We also need the right foods. A mineral-rich water, topical support by using magnesium oil, or gentle supplementation is so important to help replace what's been removed, together rebuilding the base. And when the nervous system finally feels supported, everything else gets easier, calmer, steadier, more resilient. Sometimes the solution isn't doing more. It's giving the body what it's quietly been asking for all along.
Brought to you by A.I.R Anxiety in Reverse. To God be the glory. The information shared in this video on our channel, websites, and social platforms is general in nature and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or replace professional medical advice. Always seek the guidance of your doctor or qualified health practitioner before making any changes to your physical or mental health. All content is provided for educational and entertainment purposes only